Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. क्या हाल है भाई? न्यू ईयर कैसा गया?
बहुत अच्छा गया
टेस्ट
सर।
था सर।
इससे सर नहीं होता अभी ये गया ही नहीं।
अरे
ये दिस वाज द बेस्ट न्यू ईयर।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग. गुड मॉर्निंग. वैक्सीन्स लिए सबके सब?
नहीं सर,
सर मैंने
नहीं सर, लेने वाले हैं सर।
MPY के बाद ले ली।
फॉरेन के वैक्सीन सर।
अभी थोड़ा टाइम लेंगे फिर लेंगे ना बाद।
मैंने ले ली सर।
People who have not taken the vaccines, please book your appointment. Take the vaccine. Stay safe.
सर आपने कौन सी वैक्सीन ली?
मुझे कोविशील्ड मिला है. उस टाइम there
तो
was
almost
hell
सबको
of
मिला।
कोवैक्सीन ही मिलेगा। मुझे
Almost
कोवैक्सीन।
सबको मिला।
लोगों को कोवैक्सीन मिलेगा. हमारे टाइम में then there was a hell of a problem with the stock coming in. I took appointment once that got cancelled because of lack of stock. Then I had to go to Cooper Hospital. 2-3 बार घूमना पड़ा मुझे. So then that day they told आज का दिन कोविशील्ड मिल रहा है. मैंने बोला जो मिल रहा है दे. दूसरी बार
सर you should have said ना कि आप HOD OPS के, तो वो 1 मिनट में दे देते वैक्सीन।
वहाँ का जो नर्स को थी, she was so very quick in giving vaccines that before you realize what's happening, the job is done. Your Aadhaar card number सामने वाले को बता रहे हो तब तक हो गया. Because per day they were vaccinating few thousands in Cooper Hospital. So they were, the guy in front, he was telling you when you are sitting, ऊपर रखिए. Now I was telling the guy in front my Aadhaar number, phone number, तब तक हो गया. I didn't even realize that it was done.
सर सेम।
तो किसी को कुछ बोलने की स्थिति में और सुनने की स्थिति में कोई थे नहीं था.
हाँ सर, तो हम लोग के ऐसे ही होगा।
नहीं, now the crowd and the rush is less at every place.
हाँ
Comfortably.
सर, ज्यादा रश नहीं है खाली।
But I have 2 Covaxin, sir. I got that, sir.
तो गए भाई लोग वैसे बाबा अभी नहीं बाद में।
Anything, please do take. The reason being, now after 31st, if ever they open up the classes, they'll insist that students who are vaccinated alone can come.
Yes sir.
First
हाँ
standard
सर।
के लिए government has given the permission after January 30th, 12th standard के लिए. But they'll insist that people who have taken the vaccine alone can come. ले लो एक दिन के लिए, दिक्कत होगी, कुछ ज्यादा दिक्कत नहीं.
कुछ तो कोई दिक्कत होती ही नहीं।
सर
ऐसे
लेकिन ये
होता है।
नया वेरिएंट तो
Sir, there was only just one pain, sir, in the hand and no other thing.
Yes.
Because you people are young, you didn't feel the pain. People in my age group felt the pain for one day. It was a pain, but part of life. Okay.
No, sir, it pains. One day whole it pains. Now today it is less.
Okay.
Sir, one day only.
the rumor going on.
Now, can we get back to work?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, SCV doubts.
We're taken.
कल के डाउट
निकल
क्लास
लिया
में
था
आधा
ना।
डिस्कस
थोड़ा सा
कर
बाकी
लिया।
था।
Okay. All said and done, I have few more problems in the same subcategory to be done, which I was doing in the last class. So
Yes,
first
sir.
I'll complete that.
Yes sir.
Booklet कहाँ तक किया आप लोगों ने?
सर थोड़ा बाकी है सर।
खत्म हो गया सर।
सर
exercise।
बाकी है बाकी।
टाइम दो थोड़ा।
टाइम दो।
सर एक्सरसाइज 1 बस कंप्लीट हो रहा है, बट बचा
हाँ
है
सर, complete
एक्सरसाइज
हो
2
रहा है।
बचा है।
जल्दी से कंप्लीट करो. बुकलेट के बाद असाइनमेंट 4 ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम इज वेटिंग. असाइनमेंट 4 में फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आर इजी. First objectives are easy. Subjectives are very tough.
ओके ठीक है तो घेर लेंगे।
Assignment के लिए I should give you people also time. So please work out a bit quickly. You have lot of assignment work to be done.
ओके
सर आज और होमवर्क आएगा ना सर?
सर एक ही
हाँ।
असाइनमेंट है ना?
वो एक असाइनमेंट 20-25 प्रॉब्लम्स की नहीं 60
कितना?
प्रॉब्लम्स की है.
अरे
अरे बाप रे सर.
सर हमें लगा 20
मतलब एमसी से तो
सर
ऐसा
कितने सब्जेक्टिव प्रॉब्लम?
कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम में देयर आर लॉट मेनी नंबर ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स. सभी मॉडल्स कवर करने के लिए असाइनमेंट विल बी लॉन्ग एंड effectively objective you will finish in one day. सब्जेक्टिव एक एक क्वेश्चन आपको एक एक दो घंटे लगेंगे, तो 5-6 सब्जेक्टिव भी आपको 2-3 दिन लग जाएंगे. They're tough and you need to give time for it. ऐसा नहीं कि क्वेश्चन पढ़ा और सॉल्व कर दिया, अटेम्प्ट करो नहीं आया, फिर उसमें रेक्टिफिकेशंस करो नहीं आया, फिर क्यों नहीं आया एनालाइज करो, then it comes. Subjective of that are slightly tough. For example, one of the subjectives, similar subjectives are there in your booklet as well, which I will solve in the class. You will see how long the problem is. You will have to have tremendous clarity when you are attempting the problem. Step 1, what will happen? Step 2, why will the string become taut? Step 3, what will be the impulse? It's like a stepwise, and that makes the problem long. It will be difficult as well. That we will solve in the class itself. You will see. First of all,
exercise 4 tough chapter है sir.
from here, this and the next chapter are tough. There is no line. You have
सर
to
मीडियम है सर इतना tough.
The graph
But then
going
that's
up,
the end of
sir.
mechanics.
The graph is going up.
tough. इसके बाद
all
rotational
said
mechanics.
and done. All said and done. We have to go through the process.
yes
And
sir.
we do this every year. For you, it will be new. For me, it will be old. So for me, it may appear to be easy because I'm doing it every year. But for you, it will be new and difficult to perceive something. Hence, I'm going slow and I'm covering problems in the class so that you will feel lesser pain with the assignment. Fine.
Yes.
Can I go to the next problem?
Yes sir.
This is a wedge of mass capital M. Point mass small m is moving towards the left with a velocity of u. And after collision, it is moving up with a velocity of v. This will move towards the left with a velocity v naught after collision. A ball of mass small m moving horizontally with a velocity of u hits a wedge of mass capital M. The wedge is situated on a smooth horizontal surface. Smooth horizontal surface. Smooth horizontal surface. No big deal in it. After striking the wedge, the ball moves in the vertical direction. V is not given. I have written it moves in the vertical direction. That's what. U is given. Value of V is not given, but it is given that the direction will be vertical. And wedge starts moving towards the left. Right? Nothing else is given. First question they ask is find V naught. Second question is find V. Find V. Third question is impulse on the ball. J on the ball or on the wedge. Anything will be same. Or imparted J by the ball on the wedge. Fourth question is find small. Somebody asked, will you be sending it today assignment? No, I'll wait for you people to finish the booklet only, then I'll give you the assignment.
Thank you sir.
सर सच में एक ही है ना, उसके बाद नहीं है ना?
बाद की कहानी बाद में बताऊंगा, अभी से क्यों डरना है?
और आपने शायद
मतलब है क्या
assignment
इसका?
2 तक ही भेजा है.
क्या?
After this homework, he'll send assignment 3.
अच्छा, okay.
उसके बाद में देखेंगे.
Oh, I have given you only up to assignment 2. That's what you're telling me.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. You're trying the problem and I'm waiting. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
सर इसमें गिवन सिर्फ यू एम कैपिटल एम और वी नॉट है ना? ओके
We
सर.
not.
We not is not given.
U
Yes,
is
after
given,
finding.
small m is given, capital M is given, theta is given.
ओके सर.
V and V naught you have to calculate, J you have to calculate, small e you have to calculate.
ओके सर.
Remind yourself of the concepts we learned in oblique collision. Your job will become much easier. Shall I give you the first hint?
No, sir.
Very good. I'll just be back in a second. Hint for the first one. In the horizontal direction, both small m, capital M put together, there is no external force.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
In the horizontal direction, mind my language, both small m and capital M put together. There is no external force. So you can consider linear momentum.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So the first one is very easy. I'll take everything towards the left negative, towards the right positive. Here you don't need to because everything is towards the left, but yet orthodox way, positive, negative. This will be mu, initial momentum. Initial momentum of capital M is 0. Final momentum of small m is 0.
Zero.
So after the collision, it is going up.
Yes.
Final momentum of capital M is V0. Nothing better than this.
Yes. Yes.
Implies V0 is small mu upon capital M. Happy? Very happy, right? Now the question is, how will you find out V? Come to the second concept. Along the tangential direction, if there is no friction, along the tangential direction, if there is no friction, momentum before and after collision will remain.
Same.
So you mean to say, along this direction, momentum of small m along the common tangent this is theta, so this will be theta. Quite obviously, this line is parallel to this, this line is parallel to this. This will be theta. So I can call u cos theta to be the velocity of small m before collision along the common tangent. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
After collision,
V
V
sin
sin theta.
this will be theta, this will be 90 minus theta, this will be V cos 90 minus theta.
Yes.
There is no impulse in this direction, right? Along the common tangent. Now students argue there is gravity in that direction. In that very short time interval of collision, gravity cannot appreciably
Non-impulsive.
change the
Non-momentum, it's a non-impulsive force.
Yes.
Right? And the impulse which is acting on small m is perpendicular to the inclined plane. Parallel to the inclined plane, there is no impulse, right? So V sin theta should be equal to u cos theta. Can I claim V is equal to u cot theta?
Yes, sir.
Happy, right?
Yes.
Now listen for J. J will be the impulse. On small m, J was like this. Capital M, J was like this. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
J is along the common normal. Horizontal component J sin theta should be equal to J sin theta is equal to capital M into V naught. J sin
Minus
theta will
one.
produce the change in momentum of capital M,
Yes, sir.
right? J will be equal to capital M by sin theta. What is the value of V naught? Mu by capital M. This will be mu by sin theta is the value of J due to the ball on the wedge. You want this or this matters not, it's only a negative sign for me. Last bit, I'll wait for you. Because I'm running short of space, I have to rub the board. And definition of small a is velocity of separation upon velocity of approach along common
Common tangent.
So all you have to do is velocity of separation upon approach along the common norm.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, we can find V, sir, by sir, like J sin theta is equals to J sin theta is equal to V naught into M, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. And J cos theta will be equals to
क्यों J cos theta क्यों लेना है? You're inviting trouble. अगर J cos theta ले लिया ना, तो यहाँ का impulse भी लेना पड़ेगा. Yeah, मैंने vertical impulse I avoided because then there will be impulse due to the normal force. I
Yes.
showed to you with a Q, you hit the ball downwards, it will bounce upwards.
Yes.
sir. हाँ sir.
Okay.
Singham,
Yes, sir. Yes,
हाँ
sir.
sir, सिंघम उड़ाता था.
don't forget the normal force from here. Singham को याद रखो.
हाँ
So
sir.
break horizontal. Singham intentionally hit him in the vertical direction so that he can bounce upwards. He could have hit him horizontally as well.
Yes, sir.
Right? Rohit Shetty knows little bit of a physics, not complete, but थोड़ा बहुत पता है उसे.
हाँ
Sir, so we cannot say J cos theta is equal to V into M.
J cos theta. अब
Yes, sir.
इस डायरेक्शन में जब ले रहे हो J cos theta, I should take this is balanced by this normal.
Yes.
हाँ sir. normal.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Varna, deal with this. Find out V. Now deal with this. Will this angle be theta?
Yes, sir.
So J cos theta will be equal to small m into V. That can be done. On small m, J cos theta is small m into V. That can be done. I have no problem.
Okay, so I took capital M.
कैपिटल एम लेंगे तो हॉरिजॉन्टल जे sin थीटा ही यूज करूंगा. स्मॉल एम लेंगे तो वर्टिकल यूज कर सकता हूं बिकॉज स्मॉल एम पर एक ही इंपल्स है जी.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Sir,
Hmm.
while finding J with respect to capital M, can you explain why you took component of J along the velocity and not velocity along J? Like why you did J sin theta instead of V
Mass
naught?
into acceleration, right? Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Force generates the acceleration. We resolve forces and equate it to mass into acceleration. We don't
Yes.
resolve acceleration in the direction of force. Force provides the acceleration.
Okay, sir.
So J is the impulse that will change the momentum in the direction.
Yes, sir.
Can I rub the board?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now the last bit you asked me was for E, small e. Velocity of separation upon velocity of approach along the common normal. Now you have U in this direction. Right? You have V in this direction. I am interested in the component of V. This will be theta, right? This will be theta, this will be V cos theta. This will be U, this will be theta, this is U, this is U sin theta. Do you agree with that? This is theta, this is V naught cos
V naught
90
sin
minus theta, V naught sin theta. I got all velocities perpendicular to the inclined plane. You
Yes.
obviously know why. So small e, V2 minus V1 upon U1 minus
U1.
U. Right? Stick to a particular sign convention. Everything in this direction I will take positive. Everything in this direction I will take negative. What if I prefer the reverse? You're welcome. Nothing wrong with it.
Yes.
V cos theta minus of minus V naught sin theta. Agreed? V2 minus V1 upon U1 is 0 minus of minus U sin. V2 minus V1 upon U1. Initial velocity of this is 0 minus of U sin theta with the right direction. Substitute V and V naught in terms of U, you get the answer. You know already value of V, you know already value of V. Sign convention is the most important. Stick to one sign convention till the end of the problem. You can take any direction positive. You have no problem with that. Can I rub the board?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I
Yes,
have a
sir.
doubt.
Sir, over here I had a doubt. Sir, the subscript 2 is for the ball, right?
V2 is for the ball, right? Say bola.
Yes,
Two
I
I put for the ball.
yes, sir. I got confused.
Sir,
You
can
can
we
reverse
write
it also, no problem. Take 2 for the body, capital M, 1 subscript for small m. Even then you'll get the same answer.
sir, we cannot write J equals to V naught sin theta, right? On capital M.
On capital M, J equal to A kya logic? Force you apply in one direction. There is a particle, you are applying force like this. You will take A like this and you will tell me F is equal to M into A cos theta. Resultant
No.
acceleration will be in the direction of the force.
No, sir, got it.
Now listen, this is a hemisphere. Right? Hemisphere of radius r and the lower surface is smooth. This is of mass capital M. There is a point mass moving with a velocity of u, which will strike here at an angle of theta. Right? This is a wet lump of clay. Why do they say clay?
Deformation.
Clay inelastic.
Perfectly inelastic collision. It sticks to it. Smooth stationary wedge of mass capital. All throughout the wedge is smooth. Lower surface is smooth. The curved surface is smooth. Perfectly inelastic collision. Find the velocity of the wedge just after collision. Find velocity of hemisphere. Hemisphere just after collision. Just after collision. Second bit they asked is find loss in kinetic energy or change in kinetic energy of the system. Delta Ke of the system. Not just smaller. Delta Ke of the system. Problem is quite simple, don't amplify it. But a series of problems. In the horizontal direction, there is no external force for both small and
Yes.
capital M taken together.
Yes, sir.
What is the velocity in this direction?
U
If
cos
this is theta,
Cos theta.
Cos theta.
U cos
this will be 90 minus theta, theta. This is u cos theta. Perfect. If I
Yes.
drop a perpendicular, theta 90 minus theta, theta. So initial momentum mu cos theta plus 0 is equal to, it sticks, right? So small m plus capital M in the horizontal direction will have a common velocity. V naught is mu cos theta upon small m plus capital. Job done. First question very easy. Second question, delta Ke you should tell me is log half mu square minus half small m plus capital M V naught square. Mu cos theta upon small m plus capital M whole square. Let's simplify that. That's the answer. Remove one square of small m from capital M from the denominator and take LCM. this is theta, this is capital M. All surfaces are smooth. Small m, this angle is theta. That means small m is striking capital M perpendicular. A wedge of mass capital M having an inclined plane making an angle of theta with the horizontal is kept at rest on a smooth surface. Smooth surface. Smooth surface, even the inclined plane is smooth. If small m hits the wedge with a velocity u, normally, this word normally in collisions means perpendicular. Small m is striking capital M perpendicularly. Small m strikes perpendicular to the inclined surface. Right? Find the velocity of the wedge and the particle just after collision. Find velocity of wedge and small m just after collision. Small e is the coefficient of restitution. Small e is the coefficient of restitution. Are you people there?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the wedge is not fixed, right?
Smooth surface लिखा हुआ है, wedge is pixel पूछ रहा है. कौन है ये बंदा? $10 लिख लो तेरे अकाउंट में.
Yes, sir. Done.
Sir, after 5 years, sir, you will also receiving boxes, sir, of dollars.
सर आपको बहुत टैक्स देना पड़ेगा.
5 साल के बाद की बात तब देखा जाएगा. सॉल्व कर दो.
सर आपको मटेरियल गिफ्ट दे देंगे तो उसमें टैक्स नहीं देना पड़ेगा.
अभी से आप लोगों को इतना अंदाजा है यार टैक्स के बारे में.
सर ये तो एकदम बेसिक नॉलेज था.
When I was of your age, I didn't have any idea of all this.
Because at that time you don't have internet, sir. Now internet, sir.
True. Totally. That's a very valid point. Access to,
टैक्स रिवीजन के सब प्लान रेडी है.
yeah, access to information makes you people much aware of the situation than our times. Now listen. If this particle is striking the inclined plane perpendicular, if this particle is striking the inclined plane perpendicular, the impulse is along that direction.
Yes.
What was the velocity of the particle parallel to the inclined plane just before collision? Zero.
Zero.
Just after collision?
Zero.
Zero. So just after collision, I will draw the diagram in red. Just after collision, if this is theta, small m will be moving with a velocity v. Just after collision, if this is theta, small m will be moving with a velocity v, capital M will be moving with a velocity v. This angle will be theta. That is just before collision, this is just after collision. Do you all agree with that?
Yes.
And you understood why it will, even after collision, the velocity will be perpendicular to the inclined plane only. Because
Yes.
parallel to the inclined plane, velocity is before and after collision are zero. Right? So now E is equal to V2 minus V1 upon U1 minus U. I'll take everything in this direction positive, everything in this direction negative. For me, second particle is small m, first particle is capital. Second particle is small m, first particle is capital M. Are we okay with that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So V2, I have taken this as positive, V minus of this
V naught sin
velocity,
theta.
this is theta, this will be V naught sin
Sin
theta. Minus of minus V naught sin theta direction. This is positive, this is negative. Now U1 is capital M, that's 0 initial, minus See if you people are convinced with this. V naught sin theta upon U is small e is my first equation. Should not be a problem at all.
Yes.
You obviously know the second equation is conservation of linear momentum in the horizontal direction.
Yes.
Yes,
Mu
sir.
sin theta, mu sin theta, obviously with a negative sign because I'll take everything in this direction negative, in this direction positive, right? Plus 0 will be equal to mv sin theta minus capital M V naught. See the equation? I took this side positive, so mv sin theta will be positive. mv naught will be negative. Initial momentum is negative. I have two equations and two variables, v and v naught. Two equations and two variables, v and v naught.
Sir, but won't there be normal force in horizontal direction?
Horizontal direction, normal force between which two bodies? कहाँ का normal force? कहाँ का?
No, sir, like after collision, yes, sir. Was there?
Internal force.
That is an internal force between small m and capital M.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Both small m, capital M put together in the horizontal direction, there is no external force. We have done 3 problems till now based on it. Wake up. This is a wedge. Angle is 30 degrees. Right? There is a point mass small m falling with a velocity v naught on capital. Small m is given as 1 kg. Theta is given as 30 degree. मैंने वहीं पर लिख दिया. Capital M is given as 2 kg. Small e is 0.5. Small e between small m and capital M is 0.5. Right? Here he has not given you anything. After collision, what will be the direction in which small m moves is not given. Right? Find velocity of the wedge and the ball just after collision. Find velocity of this surface is smooth. Find velocity of wedge and small m just after collision. V naught is 2 meters per second. You solve the problem?
Yes, sir.
I am waiting. Are you people solving?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एक का वेलोसिटी 1/√3 होगा, दूसरे का वेलोसिटी 2/√3 होगा. 1/√3, 2/√3. There are two possible ways of solving this, though the procedures are not very different.
Scanning of documents.
Yeah, sure. I will.
Sir, when we get the answer, like where should we message you, on co-host or host?
Always send it to the host. Co-host is the cell phone. When the answer blinks and it goes, if I have to see the message, the screen will get blocked.
Okay,
That's
sir.
why I always connect host and host. Host ko bhi. Co-host is the cell phone. 1/√3, 2/√3 is correct. Here also you can tell me in the horizontal direction there is no external force, conserve linear momentum. Done. But let me show you the intricacy in it. Just drawing the impulse. Out of academic interest, when you draw the impulses on this small m, on this you will have J. Reaction of this will be J. Agreed? This will be J sine 30 will be capital M into V. This is my first equation. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now have a look at it. This will be theta. So this will be J sine theta. Same J sine 30 towards the left minus J sine 30 is equal to small m into Vx. I'll call this Vx. Small m will have Vy and Vx velocity after the collision. So I will write minus J sine 30 small m into Vx. Can you add both the equations? It becomes 0 is equal to, this is also negative because Vx is to the left. Mv plus of minus Mvx. Capital Mv is equal to small m into Vx. I'll call this equation number 8, which I would have got directly. I would have got directly by conserving linear momentum in the horizontal direction. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Right. Now come to J cos 30. J cos 30. J cos 30. Theta is 30. Will be equal to m into Vy minus of minus m into V naught. Do you agree with this equation? I'm taking everything upwards as positive. J cos 30 is positive. MVy is positive. MV naught will be negative. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is equation A. This is equation B for me. Right? If I want to calculate J ever, I will be using this equation. If I want to calculate J, if not, I can conveniently do one thing. You can simplify these two equations and find out J in terms of Vx or V. Right? You can, once you know V in terms of Vx, substitute, you'll get a value for J. Can I claim J by 2? I'm not doing the simplification, directly writing this. Either 2V or is equal to Vx. Can I claim this? Verify this and tell me. You know values of small m and capital M, right?
Yes, sir.
Small m is 1 kg, capital M is 2 kg. So put capital M 2 kg, sin 30. J in terms of V I'll get, or J in terms of Vx I'll get. Say something, is this equation okay with all?
Yes, sir.
Now come to small e. From these two equations, you can eliminate J. There's no issue with that. I don't want to do all this. Directly use this equation, which we have been doing for the past 3-4 problems. Right? But if I ask you for the value of J, then this won't help me. I'll have to go into those details. And they have been asking you in some situations, find the value of J. Then I have to find out either V or Vx and substitute here to get the value of J. Keep this in your mind as to how we are going about with this. Small e will be V2 minus V1. V2 minus V1 upon U1 minus U. Agreed? Along the common normal. Have a look at it. What will this angle be? It will be 30 degrees. Shall we take, I'll rub these details. You have these details, right? Which direction should we take positive? I take this direction as positive and this direction as negative. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Vy cos 30 plus Vx sin 30 minus of this velocity was V, right? Minus of minus this was 30. V sin 30. First step, are you people okay with? V2 minus V1. V sin 30. V2 minus V1. Numerator, are you clear?
सर
Yes,
vx sin 30 कैसे लिया मतलब समझा नहीं।
Vx sin 30 along the common normal.
अच्छा हाँ हाँ सर हाँ
Vy
यस
along
यस
the common normal, so this is 60. Vx
हाँ
cos
सर हाँ सर
60 will be Vx sin 30,
हाँ सर
right? Now this velocity of the wedge also along the common normal I have resolved. Sin 30, this is 60 degree.
हाँ
Cos
सर वो समझा यस सर।
Now come to u, initial velocity, v naught. First of all, this I took v2, this I am taking v1. V2 I have taken for small n. So u1 will be that of this, 0 minus. Now what is this velocity along the common normal? This is 30.
V naught cos
2 cos 30.
V naught cos 30 negative sign. I took this direction positive, this direction negative. This is C, equation number C. Remaining is mere simplification. Don't
Sir?
report Vx and Vy separately. I want the resultant of Vx and Vy. Similarly, I want V.
सर
हाँ,
सर वो बी इक्वेशन में एम वी वाई कहाँ गया मतलब वी वाई को कैसे मतलब सिंप्लीफाई।
Vy को J से क्यों आए?
सर ये दोनों इक्वेशन सिंप्लीफाई करके ही वो आया ना मतलब रिजल्ट।
मास का वैल्यू डाल दिया।
स्मॉल n का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो।
हाँ हाँ
Small
सर
n, right?
हाँ सर
See, this equation I didn't get from here. I directly got it from here. Mass का value substitute करो. This equation I directly got it from these.
यस सर।
So root over of Vx square plus Vy square. If I am right in this calculation, Vy will turn out to be 0. Vy will turn out to be 0. V will turn out to be 1 by root 3. So Vx square with this will be 2 by root 3. Because Vy is 0.
Sir, don't the A and B equations give the same thing, like mass का value डालेंगे तो?
Yes. This ratio is got from this. Obviously, this you got from these both only. इन दोनों equations को यहाँ summarize किया मैंने. And these both
sir.
equations से ये आ रहा है. So either way it should give the same thing. If it doesn't, we are committing a mistake.
Sir, over here, wouldn't we need another equation?
Yes, sir.
Somebody who don't want to go into J, if J is not asked in the question, don't write this equation. Let's write this equation and this equation.
Sir, no, we'll need
But we
another
need three
equation for
equations.
Vy as well, right? उसको relate करने के लिए कुछ, वरना solve नहीं होगा, 3 variable हो गए.
So you will
Anna,
do-
in equation.
Okay, okay. Then we have to incorporate J and then eliminate J. Because we incorporated J, we need one more equation. So
So
total
otherwise, there is one more way to solve. We can consider the velocity components normal to the wedge and parallel to the wedge.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Solve that way also once you give me the book. Resolve the velocities normal by taking V and V naught. I'll show you that also. Take it down till here.
Sir, if we don't want to take Vx and Vy, we can take some velocity of the ball after collision and
That is what
at
she
an
just
angle
now
beta.
said. That's what she just now said. I said I'll solve that procedure also on the board.
Okay, sir.
Both I will do. Tell me when I can rub the board.
Yes, sir. Done.
Now listen, same problem. Suppose you take it up this way. This angle you told me is 30 degree.
Yes.
Right? And then small m is falling with the velocity v naught. After collision, 30 degree, you are taking this to be v. You will take small m to have normal and tangential velocity. Vx, Vy were parallel and perpendicular to the ground. Here, these two are parallel and perpendicular to the
Wedge.
wedge or the inclined plane. No big deal. So when you are taking velocity in this direction, this was 30, this was V naught cos 30, this is V naught sin 30. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here I will resolve this in these two directions. If this is 30, this is 30. V cos 30, this will be V sin 30. Only difference between the previous problem and here is, previous problem I took Vx and Vy parallel and perpendicular to the ground. Here parallel and perpendicular to the inclined plane. Velocity of the ball along the tangential surface will remain the same. First step, Vt will be equal to V naught sin 30. First equation, are we all okay with it? Along the common tangent, velocity will remain the same. This turns out to be, say, 1 meter per second, if I'm right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
along the normal, small a, V2 minus V1 upon U1 minus U. Everything in this direction I'll take positive, in this direction negative. V2, I'll take that of the ball. What have I been taking, ball or wedge?
Wedge.
Ball.
It's okay. Take that of the wedge. V2 will be for a change minus V sin 30 minus of V1. V1 will be Vn upon this I took V2 minus V1. Right? Vn is positive upon U1 will be minus V naught cos 30 minus 0. Is this equation clear to all? This direction positive, this direction negative. I am taking wedge to be 2. Wedge to be 2. This is V2. This is V1. Right? This is U1. This will be U2. U2 in this direction is 0. Agreed? This direction is negative. So V naught cos 30, I put it as negative. This is the second equation. So far, so good. Yes or no?
Yes.
What you need third equation? What is third equation? In the horizontal direction, momentum is conserved. This is initially falling vertically downwards. Initial momentum is 0. Final momentum, capital M into V. Right hand side is positive for me. Left hand side is negative. Small m into this angle is 30 degree. Am I right? Small m into Vt cos 30 plus mvn sin 30. This is my third equation. 1, 2, and 3. 3 equations, 3 variables, similar to what we did in the previous case. There also it was 3 equations and 3 variables. Is this clear to all?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you explain the last equation?
Conservation of linear momentum in the horizontal direction. Initially, small m is falling vertically. Initial
Yes.
momentum is 0,
Yes, sir.
right? Final momentum of capital M is mv in this direction is positive. Small m momentum in this direction will be negative. Vt cos 30 plus Vn sin 30.
Okay, sir.
First equation is velocity along common tangent remains the same. That's where, right?
Right. For small m, velocity along common tangent before collision, after collision is the same. Vt is equal to V naught sin 30.
Okay, sir.
So which method is better here?
Nothing specific. Both are the same labor. One is parallel, Vx, Vy parallel and perpendicular to ground. Vx, Vy parallel and perpendicular to inclined plane. I would prefer the previous method for one reason. In some questions, they'll ask you for the impulse J. Here, after finding out Vn, you'll have to separately find out J. There automatically you will get J. Can we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Question number 28. Are you able to see this? Question number 28. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Exercise 4 of your booklet. Question number 28.
Sir, the collision of the ball with the ground is also elastic.
All collisions are elastic. Somebody's mic is on, please switch it off.
Will sort of come up at most to this height, or do you think it will be lower, or do you think it will be higher? So use your intuition. In the worst case, it can be wrong. He is already pushing his finger up. So what do you think? Will the tennis ball reach about the same height? Who is in favor of that? Who is in favor of higher? Wow. Who is in favor of a lot higher? Okay. Okay, I'll try it. Now, I cannot guarantee you that this ball will go straight up after the impact, because clearly that's impossible. That has zero chance, so it'll probably go off at some direction. But you will see the effect that I had in mind. So there we go. And you see that indeed, that tennis ball goes way higher. I'll try it once more to see what I can get it go up a little bit more vertically, but that is very difficult. It goes way higher. And this is something that you should be able to calculate. And you can, and you will. Believe me, it's part of assignment number 6. You haven't seen it yet. There we go. Oh boy, that was better. Well, oh.
You understood why I showed you the demonstration?
Yes.
Just Walter Levin committed one mistake. He said it is in assignment 6, but for us it is in assignment exercise 4.
Yes.
Yes.
So it teaches in MIT, right?
Yeah. He just missed the pace.
Sir, the level of MIT is below J, sir.
Sir, he again started the same debate.
What is this guy's name?
Service
Tell me when I can stop the screen share. Somebody typed the answer as 4H. I also need to see the answer. 1 second. Wait. It's from your exercise only. Exercise 4, question number 28. See the answer. I think answer given is 9H. You actually can see in the demonstration when he drops it, it goes to much greater height.
Yes, sir. It touches the ceiling.
It almost touches the ceiling. That too in a gallery where in an auditorium the ceiling is at sufficiently large height. It is 9H. Fine. You will finish this problem. The problem is not difficult. I don't know why quite a few are taking some time. The only point of concept that I need to remind you people is in the vertical direction, collision between the two balls, you are conserving linear momentum. Despite the fact you have an external force called
Gravity.
Why? Because gravity is an
Non-impulsive.
For a short
this
duration.
point, I want you people to remember remaining conservation of momentum, finding out the velocity of the small ball, you should be able to do by now. Do it, don't skip it. I need the answer as 9H from all of you. In the next class, there are 3 more very long problems from your booklet which I am supposed to solve. And then I will go to a specific concept of center of mass. Right? Specific concept of center of mass, frame of reference. Fine. After solving those 2 problems, next 2 lectures will be quite heavy, quite heavy. Right? Come a bit mentally prepared. We have 1 more lecture this week.
Sir, can you show how you got 9H?
No, you will try. Please do try. It's only conservation of momentum. If you are not able to do, then I'll do it in the next class.
No, because I was getting 8H.
Yes, I'll come to that center of mass in the next class. After completing 3 more problems. 3 problems from the booklet I have to do, which are slightly bad, long, very long there. It will take 20 minutes per problem. So next class, we have 1 more class this week. Confirm that, see the timetable.
Yes, sir, we will.
Yes, sir, we have.
Right, that saves us with some continuity. Next class, I'll be sending you the assignment after the next class. So before Saturday, you have an assignment to be done. Booklet exercise 1, 2, 3 to be completed. Will you?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Put in a reminder every day. Please put in a reminder. Invest the time. It's essential. This is the chapter from which backlog starts for 90% of the students. Please complete it. The number of problems you have to solve in this chapter are more. It's not my choice. That's where backlog starts. So whatever laxity you had till now, you'll have to forgo and be aggressive. Right? Do complete it. Good. Ho jayega. That's the spirit. See you people on Saturday.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.